Hey everyone, welcome back to Dad Life. We're going to be cooking up a special of ours here. It's very similar to a meal that you would get at Japan Inn or Bennyhanawana, and my daughters have nicknamed it Bennyhanawana. So we're going to be doing some hibachi, chicken, and vegetables with rice on the Blackstone Griddle. Stay tuned. All right, we're gonna check on the carrots and see how they're doing. So they're looking pretty good. We're gonna slide these carrots over here off to the side, and we're gonna go ahead and get our mushrooms on. Putting a little more oil on there. And we're gonna go ahead and do 2 packages of mushrooms. We'll have a little bit left over for everybody for coming up lunch week here. All right, we're getting started. Here we goes. We got our mushrooms on. And I like to add a little bit of garlic powder to the mushrooms. Gives it a little bit of flavor. All right, so our mushrooms and carrots are coming along good. Like I said before, this is a hibachi style dinner here. And if you've been to Bennyhanawana or Japan Inn, they kind of do a little trick here. So I like to do my version of the Bennyhanawana with my volcano. And there you have it, the Bennyhanawana style of Japan Inn or Bennyhanawana. So our vegetables are coming along good. We're gonna go ahead and add our zucchini. One good thing about this 36-inch Blackstone griddle is it definitely gives us enough grilling space to add all these vegetables before we add our chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and put our zucchini on and get that started, and then we'll keep going with the vegetables, and pretty soon we'll be able to get the chicken and then the rice on here. Just like the mushrooms, I like to add some garlic powder to my zucchini. So now that it's on here, I'll go ahead and spread that out, and then usually when I flip it, I add another layer of garlic powder. All right, our zucchini's doing well. We slid most of our vegetables over off to the side to the warm zone, and we're gonna go ahead and add our broccoli, and we're also doing bean sprouts. So we just took some regular frozen bird's eye steam fresh broccoli. We'll put that on. So we got the broccoli, and we're gonna go ahead and add some packages of bean sprouts here. So you can see this is pretty much it for our vegetables for our Bennyhanawana chicken hibachi dinner night. We've got our zucchini, our bean sprouts, our broccoli, carrots, onion, and mushroom. As soon as we get these 2 vegetables in here cooked up, we'll get these off the grill, we'll get our chicken on and our rice, and we'll be ready to go. We got soy sauce here that we add to our meal, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on while these vegetables. All right, everyone, we got our vegetables all cooked up. Once again, We've got zucchini, bean sprouts, broccoli, onions, carrots, and mushrooms. Now it's that time to mix them all up with our Blackstone spatulas. Here we go. All right, we're gonna put some more oil on here, get it ready for the chicken. For this, we're just using some chicken tenderloin. Makes it easier to cook. And then we also like to cut it up once it gets cooking. All right, so I got my chicken tenderloin on. I just recently went to Walmart and purchased the Blackstone chicken and herb spice. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a try for the first time tonight. I'm hoping it's good. I've seen some reviews that it is really good. So let's see how it goes. All right, so our chicken tenderloin's cooking up pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and put some oil on here to add our rice. So the rice that we're adding was already pre-cooked in the house, but we're gonna go ahead and add it to the griddle just to give it some flavor with some of our soy sauce. All right, so we got our chicken cooking over here and our rice. We're almost done. I know when we're in the fancy restaurants, like I said, Japan Inn, Bennyhanawana, they do all these special tricks with the egg. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little something. I don't know if it'll work. We'll see how it goes. Hey, we'll spin it. We'll get that. Whoa, whoa, up, there it goes. Dropped and cracked. Get the eggshell off. That's a good thing about the rear grease trap for this Blackstone griddle. Here's another one. And, oh, looks like I got a little egg on my apron. All right, so we got our egg here. As you can see, a little bit of a mess. I got it on my apron, but that's all right. That's what cooking's all about on the Blackstone griddle. We'll get this egg mixed up and we'll mix it in with the rice in a few minutes here. Here we go. All right, everyone, so we got our chicken, our rice. We're gonna go ahead and throw these vegetables back on for just a minute just to heat them back up. And then we'll take everything back off again. And there you have it. We'll have our dinner for chicken hibachi. All right, everyone, so here's our finished product. We've got our rice, we've got our chicken, and we got our vegetables. Again, my family likes to have it separate instead of it all mixed up. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in these separate bowls and plates over here. This is the Bennyhanawana chicken hibachi dinner. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and thanks for tuning into Dad Life again. Have a good one.